Imagine writing 1,000 lines of code, then losing it with one wrong save. That was everyday chaos before version control. Without it, teams emailed files named final, final_v2, final_real, overwriting each other's work, with no way back. Version control is a time machine for your code. It saves every change, who made it, and why, creating a complete history. In the 1,980 seconds, developers copied files manually. Then came RCS, CVS, and Subversion early systems that tracked changes centrally. Centralized systems had one server. If it failed or you were offline, you could not work or access history. In 2005, Linus Torvalds created Git, a distributed system where every developer has the full history on their own computer. Git brought 3 superpowers: the repository to store everything, commits to save snapshots, and history to see every difference. The real magic is branching. Need a new feature? Create a branch. Experiment safely without breaking the main code. When ready, you merge. Git joins the branches, highlights conflicts, and lets the team review changes together. Collaboration explodes with pull requests. Teammates review code, suggest fixes, and approve before anything goes live. Made a mistake? No panic. Revert to any past version, compare changes with diff, or hunt bugs with blame and bisect. No more lost laptops equal lost work. Every clone is a full backup. Sync to the cloud on GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Today, version control is not just for code. Writers, designers, and scientists use it for documents, designs, and data. Best practices keep it powerful. Commit often, write clear messages, branch for features, and review before merging. And so, a simple idea: track every change, lets thousands of people build software together, safely and fast. Version control does not just save files. It saves time, teamwork, and creativity. Start your first repository today.